Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, so happy. We have a really good topic for you.
But before the topic, you know what to do. If you like our podcast, please give us a like.
Yes, a thumbs up. And if you are new, click that subscribe button. We have new conversations for you every week.
And don't forget to share. Share this with one friend who is learning English. It helps us so much.
Exactly. Okay, so Rachel, are you ready?
I'm ready. What is our topic today?
Today we are talking about something very important. We are talking about how to stop translating and how to start thinking in English.
Ah, yes, the big challenge.
It is the big challenge for everyone. When we learn, our brain wants to translate.
Yes, I hear English. My brain goes to my language. I think of an answer in my language, and then I speak English.
And it is so slow.
Yes, and so tiring. My brain gets very tired.
Me too. We want to build a new road in our brain, a fast road, an English highway.
I want an English highway. But how? How do we start? When I try, my brain just stops.
It's normal. The secret is to start small, very small, but in a smart way.
Smart way. What do you mean?
I mean, many people say, look at an apple and think, apple.
Right. I've heard that. Tree, cat, book.
And that's okay. It's a start, but it's not real thinking.
No, it's just labeling. Like putting a name tag on things.
Exactly. We need to go one step more. My first tip is be a narrator.
A narrator? Like in a movie?
Yes, the narrator of your own life. You talk to yourself in your head about what you're doing.
Oh, tell me more.
So, when you are in the kitchen in the morning, don't just think coffee.
Okay.
Think a full, simple sentence in your head. I am making coffee.
I am making coffee. Ah.
Yes. Or, I need to eat breakfast.
I am brushing my teeth.
Perfect. I am brushing my teeth. This water is cold.
I am late for work.
Yes, that is a very common one for me. I am late.
So, you are talking about your actions right now.
Yes. And your plans. Very simple plans.
Like what?
Like, today I will go to the supermarket. Or after work, I want to watch a movie.
Wow. So, you are using the language in your head, not just looking at objects.
Exactly. And the best part?
What?
It's in your head. No one can hear you.
So, I can't make a mistake.
You can't make a mistake. There is no fear, no stress. It's just you and your brain practicing.
That is a really good tip, Charles. Not just apple, but I want to eat that red apple.
Yes, you are building the new road. You are making your brain use English.
Okay, I love that. The me show in my head.
The me show. I love that.
What's next? What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is about a problem. My students always translate word by word by word.
Oh, yes.
For example, in their language, they say, I have 30 years. So they translate, I have 30 years.
Ah, but in English we say, I am 30 years old.
Right. The translation doesn't work. The problem is thinking in single words.
So, what is the solution?
The solution is to think in blocks.
Blocks? Like Lego blocks.
Yes, exactly like Lego blocks. English speakers don't think in single words. We think in phrases, in chunks.
Give me an example of a block.
How are you? That is one block.
Oh, I don't think, how are you? I just think, how are you?
Yes, it's one piece. Or, by the way,
By the way, yes, it's a block.
never mind. See you later. What's for dinner?
That's an important block.
Very important. So, when you learn new words, don't just learn one word.
I should learn the block?
Yes, learn the words that go with it. Don't learn late, learn I'm running late.
Or don't learn look, learn I'm looking for.
My keys. Yes. So, my brain should collect these blocks.
Yes. And when you think in English, try to use the blocks, not the single words.
So, in my head, I don't think I must go now.
No, you think, I have to go now.
That's the block. It's faster.
And it sounds more natural.
So much more natural. You are thinking like a native speaker, not like a translator.
Wow. Okay. Tip 1, narrate my day. Tip 2, think in Lego blocks.
You're a great student, Rachel.
I try. What else do you have?
My third tip is to use English for a real job.
A job? Like go to work?
No, a small job in your life. Make English a tool.
A tool?
Yes. For example, your shopping list.
Ah, my list for the supermarket.
Don't write it in your language. Write it in English.
Milk, eggs, bread, bananas.
Yes. It's simple, but your brain is using English for a real purpose.
It's not an exercise. It's my life.
Exactly. Or your to-do list for the day.
Oh, that's a good one.
1. Call my mom. 2. Finish my project. 3. Go to the gym.
I do this. My calendar on my phone, it's all in English.
That is perfect, Rachel. Why is that good?
Because I read it many times a day. At 3 p.m., meeting with boss.
Yes, you are forcing your brain to see and use English.
And what about Google?
Yes. Tell me.
When I want to find something, a recipe, or the weather.
You search in your language?
I used to. But now I try to search in English.
That is one of the best ways.
How to make chocolate cake, or weather in London tomorrow.
Your brain is working. It's finding the words, it's reading the answers in English.
It's a small change, but it's a big, big practice.
It's a huge practice. You are telling your brain English is not a school subject. English is a tool I use for my life.
And the brain says, oh, okay, I need this.
Yes, I will build that highway now.
Okay, this is great. So we have narrating, thinking in blocks, and using English as a tool.
Yes, I have one more. This one is very quiet and very powerful.
Ooh, a powerful tip. I'm ready.
It's the nightly review.
Nightly review? What is that?
At night, when you are in bed.
Okay, I'm sleepy.
Before you sleep, take 2 minutes, just 2,
And,
and think about your day in English.
oh, like a little diary in my head.
Exactly. A mental diary. And keep it simple.
What do you mean?
You don't need big, complex sentences. Just, today was a good day.
I woke up at 7.
I ate breakfast.
I went to work. Work was busy.
I talked to my friend, Maria. She is funny.
Now I am tired. Good night.
Perfect. That's it.
But why is this so powerful? It feels very simple.
It's powerful because you do it every day.
Ah, a habit.
It's a habit, and you are practicing the past tense. I woke up. I talked. It was.
That's true. The past tense is hard.
And you are practicing remembering in English. You are organizing your memories in English.
Wow. So I'm not just thinking, I'm remembering in English.
Yes, you are building your English brain day by day.
Charles, these are really good tips. They are productive. They are real.
They are. The goal is to make English a part of your thinking, not a special study time.
It's a new way to live with the language.
Yes, you are inviting English into your head.
Come in, English. There is space for you.
Come in, English. We are building you a nice highway.
Okay, that was a lot of great information. Let's do a mini recap.
Good idea.
So, we want to stop translating and start thinking in English. What were the big tips?
Tip number 1 was
Be the narrator. Talk to yourself in your head about your actions and plans. I am making coffee. I will call my friend.
yes. Tip 2 was
Think in Lego blocks. Don't learn word by word. Learn phrases like, I'm running late, or what's for dinner?
perfect. Tip 3?
Use English as a tool. Write your shopping list or your to-do list in English.
Yes. And the last one?
The nightly review. Before you sleep, take 2 minutes and think about your day in simple English.
That's it. It's about building a new habit.
It's not one big change, it's many small, smart changes.
You said it perfectly.
Wow, I feel very motivated. I will try the nightly review tonight.
Me too. And everyone listening, you can do this.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Remember, when you think in your head, no one is judging you.
It is your private practice. Be patient with yourself.
You are building a new skill. It takes time, but step by step, that new English highway, it gets built.
And one day, you will just think without translating. It's a wonderful feeling.
I believe it. Thank you all so much for listening to English on the Way.
We hope this episode helps you. Please, if you liked it, subscribe to our channel. We love our subscribers.
And share this with a friend. Let's help everyone learn English in this fun and easy way.
And we have a question for the comments. Ooh, yes. Tell us,
What is one Lego block or phrase you know in English?
oh, that's a great question, like, see you later, or have a nice day.
Yes, write your favorite English block in the comments below.
We love reading your comments. Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep thinking. Bye, everyone.
Bye. You can do it!